Dear students of grade 10, welcome again to this lesson. Today we will learn together how to change a sentence in the past simple tense from active into the passive voice. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Please follow and concentrate. In this lesson, students will be able to change a sentence in the past simple tense from active into passive voice. This unit entitled Civilization. To understand the meaning and the use of the past simple tense, I want you to read these questions and try to answer them by yourselves. What did you do yesterday? What did your father do last Friday? What did mother do last night? What did Salim do last summer holiday? I want you to understand these questions. I want you to answer all these questions and use verbs in the past simple tense. Here in this table, we have two groups of verbs. We have regular verbs and irregular verbs. I want you to study this table and to learn how to get the past form and the past participle from each verb. This is very necessary when we change a sentence from the active voice into the passive voice. We have to learn the past participle of each verb. Now, dear students, let's study together the first type of sentences, the active sentence. What is the meaning of an active sentence? It is a sentence which begins with the subject, followed by a verb, and then comes the object. Again, an active sentence begins with the subject, followed by a verb, and then comes the object. For example, the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids 3,000 years ago. Here, the ancient Egyptians are the subject of the sentence. Built is a verb in the past simple tense, and the pyramids are the object of this sentence. Another example, the fire destroyed many houses last night. Also, the fire is the subject, destroyed is a verb in the past simple tense, and the many houses are the object of this sentence. Another example, the thieves stole a very valuable painting yesterday. The thieves are the subject, stole is a verb in the past simple tense, and a very valuable painting is the object of this sentence. Another example, the cat ate all the eggs in the fridge. The cat is the subject, ate is a verb in the past simple tense, and all the eggs are the object of this sentence. All these sentences are active sentences. Why? Because they begin with the subject, followed by a verb, and then comes the object of the sentence. To change a sentence from an active voice into a passive voice in the past simple tense, we begin with the object. Then we use verb to be in the past, which is was or were, and then we use the past participle of the verb. Again, we begin with the object, then we use was or were, followed by the past participle of the verb. For example, the pyramids were built 3,000 years ago. Here in this sentence, the pyramids are the object, not the subject. Another example, many houses were destroyed last night by the fire. Also here in this sentence, many houses are the object, not the subject. A very valuable painting was stolen yesterday. Here, a very valuable painting is the object of the sentence, not the subject. Another example, all the eggs in the fridge were eaten by the cat. Also here in this sentence, all the eggs in the fridge are the object, not the subject. So we have here four sentences. All of them begin with the object, not the subject. And we use was or were plus the past participle to change an active sentence into a passive one in the past simple tense.